Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create easting and northing coordinates in AutoCAD. Easting and northing coordinates are widely used in surveying, mapping, civil engineering, and site design to identify precise locations within a coordinate system. In AutoCAD, you can display coordinate values by creating points and linking text fields to their positions, allowing coordinate information to be shown directly within the drawing. Easting and northing are coordinate values used to describe a location on a map or drawing. What does easting mean? Easting represents the horizontal position of a point. It is similar to the x-coordinate. What does northing mean? Northing represents the vertical position of a point. It is similar to the y-coordinate. They are commonly used for land surveying, site layouts, civil engineering projects, mapping, construction staking, and geographic referencing. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to display coordinate information. Go to the command line and type point. Then press Enter. AutoCAD then now activates the point command. Click the location in the drawing where you want to create the coordinate point. The point becomes the location whose coordinates will be displayed. A point object is placed in the drawing. Go to the command line and type p-type. Then press Enter. P-type stands for point style. The point style dialog box opens. Different point styles make points easier to see, identify, and distinguish within a drawing. Choose the point style you prefer from the available list. After selecting the desired style, click OK. Result. The point now appears using the selected point style. The point becomes more visible and easier to reference. Now go to the top toolbar and click Text. AutoCAD prepares to create a text object. Click where you want the coordinate label to appear. Coordinate labels should be positioned so they remain readable, do not overlap geometry, and clearly identify the associated point. After creating the text object, right-click within it. A context menu appears. From the menu, choose Insert Field. Fields update automatically when the linked information changes. When the field dialog box opens, select Object from the field category list. It allows text to display information associated with drawing objects. From the object type options, choose Position. Position fields display coordinate values associated with the selective point. The position field can show easting values, northing values, and coordinate locations directly within the drawing. Configure the coordinate format as needed. You may be able to adjust decimal precision, coordinate display style, and number formatting. Proper formatting ensures coordinate information is easy to read, consistent, and suitable for project requirements. Finally, click OK to insert the field. Result. The coordinate values appear within the text object. The displayed text now represents the coordinate position of the selected point. At this stage, the coordinate label displays the point's location information, effectively creating easting and northing coordinates within the drawing. To summarize, creating easting and northing coordinates in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and creating a point using the point command. After placing the point, the p-type command is used to assign a visible point style. Next, a text object is created, and the Insert Field option is accessed through the text editor. By selecting Object as the field category and Position as the object type, coordinate information can be linked to the point. After choosing the desired coordinate format and clicking OK, AutoCAD displays the point's coordinate values, effectively creating easting and northing coordinates within the drawing. And that's how to create easting and northing coordinates in AutoCAD. Coordinate labeling is an important skill in surveying and civil engineering because it allows precise locations to be communicated directly within a drawing. By using fields instead of manually entered values, you can create coordinate labels that remain accurate and easier to maintain. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.